Okay, let's see. Okay, by looking at that, you can conclude this one and this one. These two are radii in a circle. Okay, this one and this one. These two are equal with each other. This and this. These are radii of the circle. So the angle which is opposite to this radii is 55. Okay, 55. We can conclude the angle which is opposite to this radii also totally. Okay, the total angle I'll indicate outside. The total angle is 55 degrees. Okay, that should be your first conclusion. Then after this is about to deal with the theorem, chord and the radii. Chord and radii. Radii which is radius which is going through the chord, that is bisecting the chord. So the angle is 90 degrees. Angle created between the radius and the chord should be perpendicular. Here in this triangle, if it is perpendicular, this one also perpendicular, right? This is also a right triangle. In this, think about the red color right triangle. Okay, red color right triangle. I'll indicate that over here. This one should be the color triangle. Okay, I expanded this sum like here, something like here. Okay, oh, 55. So when we identify the angle here, okay, the angle here, this one should be 90 plus 55. So from 180, you should subtract 90 plus 55, 145. From 180, you should subtract 145. That will give you 35 degrees. So this angle, this small angle, acute angle is 35. This angle, okay, we found the total angle as 55. Now I found this small angle as 35 degrees. Small angle as 35 degrees. Now think about this region. I'll draw this over here. Okay, that one is locating something like this. Okay, this is 35. This one is the angle we need to find x. But we know the total angle as 55, right? We already found by using isosceles triangle theorem. So the total angle is 55. In that we found the small acute angle as 35. From 55, when you subtract 35, the total is 55. From 55, when you subtract 35, that will give you x as 20 degrees. X should be 20 degrees in this case. Okay, I'll repeat once more what we did in this question. This is an isosceles triangle. These two are radii. Okay, radii in a triangle. So the angle which is opposite to the radii are same. So if it is 55, this total also 55. That's what I indicated here. Then I amplified the theorem which we studied earlier, that is related to radius and the chord. So this should be perpendicular. Its corresponding angle, this one also should be perpendicular. Yeah, adjacent angle, perpendicular. In this red color triangle, I used interior angle sum. So 90 plus 55, 145. Total 180. From that I subtracted 145. That will give you 35 as this small acute angle. This is our 35 degrees. We already found the summation of these two angles is 55, right? 55. So from 55, I subtracted 35. That will give you x as 20 degrees. X as 20 degrees. That's all for this question.